and I will be playing Ruth's friend Margie as well as Sharon Frontiero in The Prospect of Equality. I decided to do this show because, obviously because of the subject matter, Ruth Bader Ginsburg has had a tremendous impact on my life, and also because I got my professional acting start at Ensemble Theater back in 2017, and so I was really delighted to be able to come back and work on another show here. I think people should come see The Prospect of Equality because Ruth Bader Ginsburg has a story that deserves to be told. A lot of us know her as a Supreme Court justice and know about her work on the Supreme Court, but she also has an entire story that has to do with her life and her work and her relationships leading up to that. And a lot of people, especially young people, don't know that story. So come to Ensemble Theater and find out that story.